Hey guys, it's the girl with the fro. Welcome back to my channel. Hello, it's nice to have you back. Okay, so today we have a really special delivery and it's from All Things Hair. Yeah, and they sent me this and it came with this lovely note. Let me show it to you guys. So, wait a minute. As you can tell, I already opened it, so yeah. With love, All Things Hair. And inside it says, every queen needs a crown. We all know the power of a good hair day, right? It makes you feel like a queen, ready to take on the world. And that's what sparked the All Things Hair YouTube channel, a platform dedicated to teaching women how to look after and style their hair. And yeah, it just goes on and on and on. And here, as you can tell, there's kind of like a hairstyle inspiration here. Okay, let me show you what's inside. But yeah, inside this is what it looks like. Okay, and then we open the smaller box. It's modeli. I think that's how you pronounce it. Yeah. And then you open that, and then there is this really nice crown. You know, like the note said, every queen needs a crown. Yeah. And then we have other styling accessories. We have some serum, we have hairpins, we have a comb, we have a hair tie thingy, we have hair elastics, hair bands, those things. And then we also have the organic shea butter shampoo and conditioner. My hair is already washed, so I won't be using the conditioner and shampoo, but I will be using everything else to create my special hairstyle. Okay, I'm not gonna do the one they showed us on this card right here, as you can tell. I'm not gonna be doing that one. I'm gonna be doing something different, and at the end of the video I'll explain why I did that hairstyle. And yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so this hairstyle is called the Mawu goddess hairstyle, and I'll tell you, like I said in the beginning of the video, I will tell you a little bit more about where I got this inspiration for this hairstyle at the end of the video. Right now I just want to do my hair and show you how super easy it is. You know, I love easy hairstyles. I'm opening the comb. I love easy hairstyles that are low manipulation, that I can really do with. Thank you, man with a bike. Anyway, but I love hairstyles that I can really do with no effort and none of that. So that's why I chose this specific hairstyle, especially for especially for springtime that's approaching. It actually is kind of here, but yes, the springtime, sometimes you don't want a lot of effort. You just want to do something cute and be out. Okay, so first I just want to section off my hair because I want to work in sections. So let's do this. As you can tell, I haven't stretched out my hair. I haven't done anything. The only thing that I have done to my hair is moisturize it. I moisturized it earlier today before I did my makeup. And yeah. So as you can tell, I'm gonna be working on this section at the back first, and then I'm gonna work my way up to the front. Basically, guys, what we are going to be doing is creating puffs all over our head. Just little cute little puffs all over her head, and it's kind of like the same concept of a bantu knot without all the manipulation and putting tension on your hair by twisting it and twirling around each other and all of that. But yeah, it's basically, yeah, just having a whole bunch of puffs on your head. So that's what we're doing. So I just want to wet my hair a little bit. Keratin Smooth serum. I've used this before on my wigs and stuff. I really love the serum. I've also tested it before last year, like maybe a little over a year ago. I tested these products for another brand, and yeah, they are pretty legit, especially the mask. I love the mask. So just a little bit. Oh, this is what it looks like. 5 benefits, 1 system. It says up to 72 hours of frizz control, silky shine, perfectly detangle, soft feel, and tames flyaways. I'm just gonna put it on because, you know, they didn't put oil in here, and since I already moisturized my hair, I don't really need anything except that little bit of shine. So there we go. And it smells really good. We're gonna take a section of hair, right? However big you want your balls to be, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take a section of hair, and then we are basically just gonna tuck it underneath itself, and we're gonna be using the pins to secure it in place. Easy. And you just repeat the process all over your head. Super easy, super low manipulation, and really cute. And because my hair is a little bit shorter, I'm gonna be using smaller sections of hair. If your hair is longer and you can make big balls, you're welcome to do that. Pin. And tuck. See? That's it. And we just repeat the process everywhere. our hairstyle. That's it, guys. That's it. I mean, if you really want to be take it to another level, I think you could first twist your hair and then pin it underneath each other, just like you would a bunch knot, but instead of wrapping it around each other, you just underneath. And you can also wear a headband over here. It's really cute. It's really cute. There we go. And to finish this look, we are going to be wearing our crown. As you can see, guys, we are done with the hair tutorial. That was it. That's literally the hairstyle. You know, whether you wear hair clips, whether you wear an Alice band, whether you wear the hair just as it is, whether you twist it up and then tuck it in first, whether you wear an Alice band or anything, it's gonna look really cute, and it's really easy to do. As you can tell, really quick, and you know, nice casual. You know, you put on like a glittery hair accessory and it goes from day to something nicer at night. You know, I really dig this hairstyle. But yes, like I said, I am going to tell you a little bit where I got the inspiration for this hairstyle. This hairstyle is called the Mawu Goddess hairstyle, and I got this inspiration when I got the package, right? I saw the crown, and the first thing that jumped out at me was the queen part, and I started thinking about African queens and all of that. And as I was searching on the internet about African queens, you know, I started thinking about African goddesses, like, you know, mythology, African mythology and all that, and I started researching that, and I found so many African goddesses and all of that, and I was just really inspired to find one that I could really base my look off of, you know. And the first place I kind of looked was the design of this crown, and as you can see, it has like a little flower kind of pattern over there, and I kind of looked up African symbolism, and I saw that there's a pattern that looks similar to this, a symbol, not a pattern, man, a symbol that looks similar to this, and it means, it's a symbol for creativity and wisdom, right? So I looked for the goddess of creativity and wisdom and found this one goddess. Her name is Mawu, and it's spelled M-A-W-U, and I'm just gonna read a little bit about her. Mawu means goddess in Ewe, and the people of the Volta region referred to God Almighty as Mawu. And basically, her themes, the goddess of this theme is creativity, passion, universal law, and inspiration. And that really spoke to me when I saw that and I started reading that. That really spoke to me, and I thought to myself, let me basically what she did, they believe that she is the creator goddess. She created everything on earth, and she is associated with the sun and the moon. So that's a little bit about her. You can go read up a little bit on her on the internet and stuff like that. I don't want to get too heavy into it, but I just wanted to give you a kind of like idea of how I got to what you see right now. So basically, they believe that she is kind of like an androgynous goddess. So she is male and female, and the creator of all things on the world. And yeah, guys, this is what I found, this picture here. And as you can see, she has like a little crown over there, and then she has like little bantu puff balls over there. And this, can you see the translation? Can you see? So yeah, basically that's how I came up with this hairstyle, and yeah, it was really fun. It was a really fun thing to do. I really felt really inspired when I saw this crown, and that's why I put so much effort into this hair tutorial. It's not just the hairstyle, it's something that represents our culture and something that I think we should all like be a little bit more proud. And there's just so much beauty in our hair and what it can do and what it can look like and all these hairstyles, and it's really great to think of something that pays homage to a little bit of my, not mine per se, you know, but my African heritage, period. So that's where this hairstyle comes from. And yeah, I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys will try it at home, you know, walk out here looking like a goddess, looking like a goddess, looking like a goddess. And yeah, I really hope you guys like it, and thank you to the team at All Things Hair for sending me this package, and I hope you guys like this because I love it. And yeah, the people at Ismodeni, I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, guys. I am Betty, I am not Nguni, so some things I'm not gonna say correctly, but yeah, this is a beautiful accessory. This is a really stunning accessory, and I'm gonna wear it a whole lot more in the springtime, you know, florals for the spring. Groundbreaking. But yes, thank you so much for sending this to me. Thank you, all things hair. Thank you, and thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys will try this hair. Tag me, you know, like this video, comment on this video, tell me what you think of this hair, tell me what you think of this inspiration, I mean the inspiration behind my hairstyle. And yeah, that's it. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and click on that notification bell so you can join the notification gang so you don't miss the next videos coming up. Okay, there are going to be more videos after this, obviously, but you have to be part of the notification gang so you can stay up to date with my videos. But yeah, we are all done and the video is over, so I will see you next time.